Greetings everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have another microphone review for you today. I have the Behringer C-1. This is a condenser microphone. The microphone is plugged into my SSL2 solid state logic, which I have here. The phantom power is on because this microphone is a condenser microphone and requires a phantom power. On the front of the microphone there's a LED light which is red. That means that the microphone is on and the phantom power is on as well. I couldn't find any specifications of this microphone actually. So basically this is a condenser microphone. It's a Cardio 8. This is the polar pattern of the microphone, Cardio 8 polar pattern. Frequency response is 14 Hz to 20 kHz, and there's not a lot of information about this microphone actually. And let's see what comes in the box now. So this is the Behringer C-1. So this microphone comes with a really nice plastic case cover to protect the microphone. In my opinion, this is a very good touch. I know this is not a very expensive microphone, but you'll get the price in a minute. Also, this microphone comes with a small adapter for your microphone stand. This is a very good touch. You don't need to buy these adapters because you can lose them. This is a very good touch. Also, the build quality of the microphone actually is decent in my opinion. It's all metal. Yeah, I think this is a very good touch. The build quality is on point. Unfortunately, this microphone doesn't come with any cable, so you need to provide your cable. This microphone is an XLR connection, so you need an XLR to XLR cable. It doesn't come with a windscreen foam as well, so again, this microphone is very affordable. Is this the most cheapest microphone on the market? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. And now let's talk about the price. The price of this microphone actually is currently recording in this video for this microphone now is about 16 to 17 pounds. May this price change in the future, but right now the price is about 17, 18 pounds. This is blimey, this is cheap. So I don't know if this is the cheapest condenser microphone on the market. Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe it is, I don't know. But yeah, 17 pounds, 17 bucks for this condenser microphone. I'm gonna throw some links in the descriptions down below so you can check yourself for the price. So again, this is a condenser microphone, like I mentioned, a Cardio 8 microphone. The polar pattern is Cardio 8. Basically, it's like a heart. And let's do some comparison, some tests now. So I'm gonna demonstrate now. So I'm gonna spin the microphone, so just to have an idea what is the sound quality of the microphone. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna spin the microphone. So let's spin the microphone right now. So I'm gonna spinning the microphone. So probably the sound quality is not gonna be very clear. Let's spin the microphone again, and this is the front of the microphone. So as you can hear, this is the Cardio 8 polar pattern of the microphone. You need to speak front of the microphone. So I don't know if you notice, but my Windows is open, and I think my MacBook Pro fan is kicking. So I don't know. This is gonna be good chance just to have an idea how is the noise floor of the microphone. Now I'm gonna, just to have an idea, I'm gonna clap a couple of times. This is not a treated room, so just to have an idea how is the noise floor. This is my table. I think this microphone is decent in terms of the noise floor. In my opinion, it's good. But you know what? You are the judge. So you are the judge. So if you like the sound of this microphone, I don't know, I think maybe it's gonna be a good buy. But 16, 17 pounds, my breakfast costs more than that. You're wondering what breakfast, whoa. But yeah, I mean, it's cheap, but if it's good, I don't know, you are the judge. Also, I forgot to mention the gain on the microphone is about 55%. Actually, which again, this is good because in my opinion, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the gain is about 55%. This microphone actually is quite powerful in my opinion, but again, this is 48 phantom power. This is a condenser microphone, so you require 48 phantom power. So hey, let me know what do you think, guys. I mean, this is the Behringer C-1. Also, I reviewed a couple of days ago. I reviewed another microphone from Behringer, the XM8500, which actually I was very surprised about the sound quality. I'm going to leave it in the descriptions down below, or check the cards, left, right. Should be this side maybe, or this side. I don't know. So check the cards for the Behringer and come back just to see the end of this review. So let me know what do you think about the Behringer C-1 condenser microphone. I don't know. I think it's a decent microphone in my opinion for 16-17 pounds. You don't get wrong. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this microphone, so like all my microphones that I review for the past couple of months, if a company sends a microphone, if a company wants to send me a microphone or any product basically, I always include that. I always say that in my videos because I want to be straightforward with you guys. So yeah, let me know what do you think about this microphone. Do you like the sound? Just for the comparison, I'm gonna do something interesting. I know maybe I don't have to do this, but the SSL2 solid state logic has a 4K legacy button. I'm going to press that just in a second, just to have an idea how is the sound if you do any edits of the audio. I don't do any edits. All my microphones, all the reviews I did for the past couple of months, I don't do any edits of the audio. This is the raw audio. Just plug it to the audio interface and the recording on the Audacity free software. I'll put everything in the descriptions down below, mentioned in today's video. But yeah, I don't do edits on the audio, so this is the raw audio. But just for the sake of today's video, if you decide to tweak your audio, let's see if there's gonna be any difference. I hope there's some difference. So SSL2 solid state logic has a 4K legacy button. So what this button do basically is gonna boost the high ends. It's gonna make the harmonic voice, well, not harmonic voice, but it's gonna boost the high ends. It's gonna make the voice a little bit more higher. So let's see if it's gonna be any difference. So I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna press the 4K button legacy now. Okay, so this is the 4K legacy button is on. So I don't know if it's gonna be any difference. You are the judge. Let me know in the comments down below. I think there's some difference on the S's when you pronounce something with S. I hope that's why I heard for the last time when I did another review. I think the Behringer XM8500. But yeah, I think there's a small difference, not a massive difference, but there's a small difference. So let's switch off the 4K legacy button. Alright, so this is the 4K legacy button off. Let me know what do you think about this microphone. Also, last but not least, I'm gonna do some comparison. Well, we'll see how is the situation with the plosives. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Pipa Piper Piper Peep Peach Pipa Piper. Please bring pizza pronto. So I don't know if there's any difference. But yeah, I mean, this microphone doesn't come with a windscreen foam. But luckily I got one here. Alright, so let's see if there's any difference. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Peach Piper pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. I don't know, should be some difference now. But yeah, I like the microphone without the windscreen foam. So yeah, let me know what do you think, guys, about this Behringer C-1 condenser XLR microphone. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, I'm gonna check your comments if you have any suggestions, if you want to review some microphone that you want to see in this channel. As always, thank you very much. I appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe for future reviews. As always, I will see you in the next video.